Do you have trouble seeing the blinking text cursor when typing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can make it bigger and easier to see. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under the Size and Zoom section, tap Cursor Thickness. Use the slider to adjust the thickness. Move the slider to the left to make the cursor thinner, or to the right to make the cursor thicker. As you adjust the slider, you will see a live preview at the top, so you can choose the thickness that works best for you. Once you are done, simply go back. Now open any app where you can type, such as Google Search, Messages, or Note. When you tap the text field, you will see the blinking cursor using the thickness you selected. This can make the cursor easier to spot, especially if you have difficulty seeing small details. And that's how you adjust cursor thickness on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.